Kulbaan, bitaw ko.
Kulba, bitaw.
Bitaw saba kay ko, ma'am. Kaya basta, kay kulbaan, bitaw kay ko.
Kulbaan.
Inanay ko makulbaan. Normal. Kulbaan ko. Sige.
Ano mo?
Kay gwapa mo, kay ko.
God loves us beyond measure. All the struggles that we've been through were all part of His big plan. God sent you. He sent you to me to be closer to Him.
I think it's with you now. I think it's with you now.
So, James, what does your girlfriend do? They would always ask. Well, she's a CPA too. In fact, she's an auditor too. And 2 years ago, I started saying she's an accountant too. But there's more to numbers every time I think of you, Choi. You are a special gift from heavens above. When I thought I lost everything, you came. God even gave me a bonus. He gave me the right one. When He gave me you, I hated it. Why? Because you exactly knew my strengths and weaknesses. And what was worse, you didn't love me for my strengths. You loved me because of my weaknesses. You always filled for those spaces in me.
Do I make the move? The one on repeat in my head.
In life, it's not where you go, but who you travel with. Traveling has always been bittersweet for us, but sweet memories will always be there. When you lay your head on my shoulders as you sleep, when we walk together, slowly holding each other's hands. Here's to God-guided travels. Now as my wife, I love you, baby Chewy, rap, rap, rap. Your hobby.
Eyes wide, can't take them off you. Yeah, I got the best view this side of the wind. You are a lighthouse.
With you, I can be dumb. Because I know that you will do all the thinking for me. With you, I can be penniless. Because I know that you will provide for me.
Where I wanna be. I found a good heart just waiting for me. Where I wanna be, wherever you are, wherever you are, wherever you are is where I wanna be.
James, Choi, from the moment you proposed to me, I always had this beautiful scenery in my mind. As I walk down the aisle and see you waiting for me. Today, October 5, 2019, exactly a year after you proposed, you put an end to that imagination and made it a reality.